Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so beyond excited because I am unboxing a very special thing for you guys. I'm sure you already know what it is if you've read the title, but I just don't even have words how excited I am. I'm seriously just so ready to like rip the box open and see what this looks like. Oh, okay. So we are doing a little unboxing. Actually, it's a big unboxing. This is the biggest Louis Vuitton purchase that I've made. I know I haven't made many, but this is the biggest one that I've made, so this is a big deal for me. I'm super, super excited. So we are going to get into how I was able to find this piece, and we're gonna get into unboxing it and seeing what it looks like. So yeah, before we get into it, please make sure to give this video a big, big, huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you love these kinds of videos, makeup, self-tanner, fashion, just all the most fun things. Then definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. But if you want to see me unbox this beauty, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, guys, I can barely contain my excitement right now. I have been dying over this bag, obsessing over it, watching videos about it nonstop, like researching it nonstop. I just like knew I needed this in my life. So since my birthday just passed, I decided to treat myself because you only turn 25 once, quarter of a century. I think that's a big one. So I had to get myself something nice. And yeah, this is what I ended up getting myself. So like I said, I'm sure if you already read the title, you know this is the Palm Springs mini backpack. I'm so excited. And I know there's a lot of people out there that aren't huge backpack people, but this is like so versatile. I've seen so many videos about like a million different ways that you can wear this and style this, that it just felt right and it made so much sense to me. And I am like a little mini backpack person. I have another mini backpack that I'd always carry around like when I travel, like when you're going somewhere where you're doing like activities, like a daytime kind of thing. Like right now is around Halloween time. I'm a big Halloween person, like haunted houses, that kind of stuff. That's like the kind of stuff I would wear a mini backpack to, but you could do this so many other ways, which we'll get into later. But I want to start the video before I unbox it by letting you guys know how I got this, because I know the Palm Springs mini is like a very hard piece to find. It's like sold out pretty much all the freaking time. So I literally couldn't believe it when I got it. So basically, I have been calling customer service, I would say since early August, just because I had it in the back of my mind that I wanted to get this for myself, but I wasn't sure if I should like pull the plug on it or not, if I should get myself something smaller, or if I should like go ahead and get this. So I would just call casually around August time, a month before my birthday or so, just to see if like it happened to be in stock anywhere. And every time I would call, they would say, no, this thing's always sold out. Like, you'll be lucky if you find it. And if you do, like, snatch it right away. And so that's like the answer that I kept getting. And every time I would stalk the website, like, you know how you're always told to stalk the website because pieces will randomly pop up as in stock, and then you can like get it that split second that it's in stock, and then it'll go out of stock like right away again. So I was doing that because that actually worked for me when I was helping my dad find my mom a Neverfull. I found that by stalking the website and it worked. So that method does work, just in case you're curious about that. But this one, that didn't work for me. Every time I would look on the website, it was sold out. I never got lucky with it. I also was following like the forums, and that was like never one of the ones I saw. I saw the reverse monogram wood, but I never saw anything written about this, or I'm just blind because I didn't see it written on there. But with this, so I called probably a few weeks before my birthday one time, and the sales associate had told me that it's out of stock, but he would be able to like special order it. And I told him I would call him back because I still wasn't sure about it. So I didn't end up going through with it, and then the next time I called, I was like, let me just see if it's in stock by any chance, and they had told me no. They were like, no, we can't like special order it, we can't put you on a wait list, nothing like that, I'm sorry, just try again. So I was super disappointed. I'm like, of course I missed my chance. So after my birthday, I was actually looking for something else to gift someone else. So then I just asked about the bag because I'm like, well, I know I want it. Like, I know I'm gonna get this eventually, and I want to treat myself to something nice because it's my 25th birthday. So I was like, let me just see if they have it. And the girl that I spoke to on the phone was like, actually, yeah, I can send you a link to order it. So she was telling me how lucky I got because she's like, this bag is literally always out of stock. Like, I'm even shocked that this was showing up, that you could order it. So I was like over the moon, of course. So that time I didn't even ask questions. I was like, send me the link, I'm getting it. I need this in my life. I've been thinking about it literally nonstop. Like, I just want it so, so bad. So I did it, I got it. I was so, so lucky to be able to get it that way. So I'm telling you guys, if stalking the website doesn't work, or even you could do this as a first line or do both, because I was doing both, literally call customer service every once in a while and just see how things are looking. Like, ask if there's anything in stock at a location near you. Ask if they could special order it, or if you could be put on a wait list or something, because chances are at some point you're gonna get lucky. Maybe not like the one time that you call, but another time you might get lucky. So don't give up. I was like beyond lucky to be able to find this. Like, I'm still in shock, and I'm so anxious to like rip this box open. So we're gonna get into the unboxing portion. That is how I was lucky enough to find a sold out Louis Vuitton piece. Like, I kid you not, this is sold out literally all the time. So I feel very lucky and very blessed, and I'm super excited to open this. So taking it out of the bag, of course I'm gonna keep this because this is a beautiful bag. They also gave me a little Louis Vuitton booklet. So I'm gonna keep this too. I feel like this would be just like a cute little book to have on a counter somewhere. Here is the box. How cute is this? I need to take a picture because this is just adorable. Happy birthday to me. So it's not like a huge box because it's a mini backpack in here, so I was expecting it to be like somewhat on the smaller side, but I'm also like a really small bag kind of person, so this is perfect for me anyways. So there is a little card here, and let's just take this adorable ribbon off. I almost don't even want to unbox it because this like presentation is just so beautiful that I just want it to stay pretty like this forever, but I want my bag, so I'm opening it. So here we go. I'm just gonna take this out and set it off to the side for now. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, hold on. Let me just get myself organized here. I'm gonna put that ribbon in the bag. All right, we're gonna open the box. Are you ready? Because I don't know if I am. All right, here we go. Oh, sorry, I should probably show you guys. All right, ready? More cards. Okay, so this one probably has all the information in it, I assume. I'm not an expert at this, so I'm sorry if I keep messing it up. But, okay, no, this is just like my receipt and stuff. And for returns, if I wanted to exchange or return it, which I don't plan on doing because I already know I'm gonna love this. So put that away, and then, okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm so excited right now. Oh my God. It already feels amazing, and I didn't even take it out of this little box yet. Okay, here we go. Here's the little dust bag. I love these dust bags. Just taking this off now. Oh my God. I'm dead. Hold on. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? Even if you're not a backpack person, tell me this is not so freaking adorable. I don't even have words. This is just the cutest thing on the planet. And I'm not kidding. I've watched so many videos on this, so I already know what to expect with it. Of course, since this is new, it has like the exposed zipper. I know the old version had like this flap covering the zipper, which made it hard to zip and unzip. I'm happy I got this just because I don't want to be ruining anything and I want it to be easy to access. So let's see how easy it is to actually unzip and zip. Super easy. Look at that. One hand. Super easy. Okay. This is so beautiful. This is literally more beautiful than I even imagined. And it's so squishy too. Like the back here is like, I don't know if it's padded or what, but it's so squishy and soft. Like it's not super hard and structured like some other bags are. It's just so like, anyways. So it has these straps. There's 4 straps. So there's like 2 really short ones and then 2 long ones. I still have to go over some videos again just to make sure that I'm doing things the right way. Like with the straps and stuff. I just want to make sure that everything is getting attached the way it's supposed to be. So it just like latches and unlatches, and then the other side is just like the end of the belt, pretty much. So I don't know how you would attach this really. Oh, yes I do. Okay, hold on. I need to get my stuff together. I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with it right now just because I don't want to screw things up. I have to go watch a video and make sure I'm putting it on the right way because I want to take care of this literally like it's my child. But I've done a lot of research, so I know that there's like a million different ways you can wear this. Like I said, you could do it like a backpack, you could do it like a crossbody, you could do it like a bum bag, you could do it like a top handle. There's just, the options are endless, you guys. Like seriously, it's wonderful. And then this thing at the bottom, they said it's for scarves, like to attach like a little scarf on there. I'm probably not going to use that. I feel like it's a little bit pointless. So that serves no purpose to me, but it's cute anyways. This zipper, a lot of people say is also kind of pointless because this you have to literally dig into to get it like spread open, and I feel bad even doing that, to be honest. So I feel like that kind of sucks, but it's okay. Like I feel like it's so nice that this is so open that I probably would never even use this to begin with. It just says Louis Vuitton Paris right here in this black material. And then on the inside, we've got the cards that were stuffed. It just says coated fabric exterior textile lining calfskin trimming. Palm Springs Mini, just like the little barcode and the, I think this is like the item number or whatever. It says made in the USA of imported materials and components. So this is my second piece that is made in the US, and then my other one is made in Italy. So I have, or Italy or Spain? I think it's Spain. So I have yet to get one that's made in France, but like I always say, I don't really care where it's made, to be totally honest. If it's perfect, it's perfect. And to me, it looks pretty perfect. Like the stitching and everything, like everything looks completely straight. Nothing looks like crooked or uneven. Everything just looks really, really perfect. So I have 0 complaints right now. And like I said, just the feeling of this is so crazy amazing. Like, I can't believe this is mine. I'm so excited and just so happy right now that I could cry. Like, I work hard for my money, and to be able to treat myself with little things like this for like a birthday or just like a success or something like that, like it means a lot to me. So I'm really, really excited for myself to have this, and I'm really excited to be wearing it everywhere and anywhere. People are literally gonna get sick of seeing me wearing this because I am about to live in it. But I'm so, so excited, and I just feel like so much can fit in here. I'm not gonna do like a full on what can fit, but just as an example, here is like a little makeup pouch. It's just like a random makeup pouch that I have. Let's see if this whole thing can fit. Yeah, literally fits perfectly in there, and you could still fit a ton of stuff. I also heard that you could fit like a water bottle in here. I don't have a water bottle on hand, but I do have this on my vanity, so I want to see if it'll fit, and it does. Literally, and this is tall. Like, this is not a small bottle. It's literally bigger than my head. and it can fit in here. So a water bottle 110% for sure can fit in here. Don't let the little look of this deceive you, because it fits a lot of stuff. So I can literally, I'm not the kind of person anyways that carries around a lot of things in their bags. Like, I'm more of a person that like just puts their essentials in and that's it. Like a lipstick, a little tiny travel size perfume, my wallet, and that's pretty much it. So I really don't need a lot of space to begin with, but it's nice to know that if I do need to put something else in here, it will fit. Like if I want to put a water or something in here, or to carry around a big spray for my face, I can put it in. So it's nice to know that this tiny little thing actually fits a crap ton of stuff. So I'm obsessed. Like, tell me this is not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. I love it, oh my God. And again, obviously I got the regular monogram, not the reverse. I do really like how the reverse monogram looks too, but this one just, I feel like it matches with a lot more. Like the color is a lot more toned down, so it matches with a lot more things. I'm literally gonna wear this with everything. Oh, I literally can't stress enough how excited I am, guys. Like, I feel like my emotions are just like all over the place right now because I just don't even know how to act. Like, I can't believe this is mine. I just love it so much. Happy birthday to me, like I said, happy belated birthday. But yeah, I'm so excited. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think of this little beauty. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know also if you guys have one of these. Let me know just your thoughts on it, what fits, what doesn't fit, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. I want to know everything. So comment, give me your thoughts on it. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. And please subscribe to my channel. It means the absolute world to me. Just shows your support for the channel, helps me grow, helps me keep doing this. So please make sure to subscribe, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.